So, may nagpadala ng tanong na medyo maraming tatamaan at maraming mapapaisip at tanong. Kasi nga naman, in this day of may AI na, digital na lahat, nag-a-advance lahat for us to communicate and to gain knowledge, why is it daw na kung kailan nag-a-advance in technology, pakiramdam na nagtanong, this is the age na rampant din ang loneliness and emptiness in spite of these advancements. I hope I captured your question right.
Yeah, syempre, development, advancement, parang tumaas ang antas mo no? Di ba? Pero may maganda, sorry si Pope Francis, his last letter is fantastic. Dilexit Nos. First chapter yan, sabi niya, bakit ang advancement of technology, particularly now AI, nilagay niya AI Pati nga si Pope Leo, sabi niya, how come there's still loneliness? And even a sense ng walang purpose. Di ba? Okay, gandang kwento yan Alam mo sinabi ni Pope Francis, saan mo napuproduce ang product na binibigay ng technology? Saan galing yun? Ano ba yung source that you have ChatGPT, you have whatever, di ba?
Quick
Even
internet,
FaceTime, even like this,
real
diba?
time.
Oo, di ba? FaceTime, whatever, di ba? It's all algorithmic ang tawag niya. And that is supplied by the internet, by the database, ika nga, by an accumulation of information and all of that, di ba? Wala nang person to person. Saan ba ang root ng loneliness? Wala kang mag-isa
No man is an island.
Hindi lang. Pati kung nalulun ka sa technology,
Mag-isa ka
you
lang.
can really stay on it on your own.
For hours.
Hours and hours. It could become even, as they said,
Addictive.
addictive. So, it can form in you a kind of bubble na ando ka na lang. And the world is always on your...
At your tips.
At your tips. And you cut off yourself.
From the rest.
Yes. To the point nga kumakain na kayong pamilya, ando ka pa rin sa iyong
Nagte-text pa rin sila.
di ba? So, ang tingin niya doon is that ang kulang talaga sa AI, sa ChatGPT, is yung person-to-person encounter. Encounter ang ibig sabihin yung
Face to face.
nagtagpo kayo.
Face to face.
May tagpuan. Kasi, kamukha natin ngayon, hindi niyo po makukuha to. Kasi kami dalawa, face to face, real time, magkasama kami sa isang lugar. And so, yung feeling ko dito, I'm not alone. Andito to You're not alone. Andito
And
ako
we're present.
Yes.
Physically.
And we're talking to each other with
Saka,
sense.
body. Maakbayan mo ba yung digital?
Correct. Ang tao, gawa sa ganun. Bakit pa siya ginawang may laman? Hindi lang kasi laman tayo. Ba't siya may kaluluwa? Hindi lang tayo kaluluwa. Meron tayong emosyon.
And we were made to relate to one to another.
And that emotion is meant to somehow be shared
Yes.
and receive. Sabi nga ni Pope Francis,
and receive.
we are made to love but also to be loved. Kailangan natin tumanggap ng pagmamahal, hindi lang magbigay. So, pwede kasi ang technology, tanggap ka pero information. Di ba? And you might create a point na baka ikaw pinag-uusapan ito. Di ba? Meron ko nakita lang lately this morning na nagpakamatay anak nila kasi yung AI, ginawa siyang naked
Wow.
ng isang kaaway niya.
So,
Tapos
shaming to.
ipo-post daw
Shaming.
unless he sends $3,000 US.
Blackmail pa.
Oo, nagpakamatay yung bata.
Sa takot mas
Sa
scandal,
takot na maging parang totoo yung ginawa ng AI sa kanyang katawan. Could you imagine? Yun ang nangyayari ngayon sa ating mundo po.
Pero ganun kagaling din yung AI, mukhang ikaw talaga.
Tapos gagawin kang hubad.
Oo. Or,
Could you just imagine mangyayari yan sa iyo? Tapos, i-extort ka? So, it could really be a world of hindi mo masabi sa iba. Ba't di niya nasabi sa magulang niya na may nag-extort? Baka na-cut off na relationship Baka
It's a
matagal na
relationship.
silang hindi nagsasalita.
It's a relationship.
Hindi nag-uusap di ba? So, you are right there na despite technology, it is useful, it is very powerful, but it could be also may manipulative. Ang tawag sa word na yan, ambivalent. Depende sa paggamit at gumagamit. No?
Like,
And now,
like we were given nga, na-discuss din natin the advancements in technology that either it becomes productive for man or masisira yung planeta. Right?
yeah.
Yung balance, how you use it, and
Sustainability.
how fast you consume it.
Yes.
Now, in terms of artificial intelligence, I don't think it can match the personal encounter, emotional enrichment, and intelligence.
Correct. Pero pinag-uusapan po yan.
Na ma-explore din niya.
Hindi, pinag-uusapan yun sa aming chat
Oh,
na the banks, 90% of the banks said they will use AI, but there should be no fear that magtatanggal ng tao. May nagsabi, not to create panic. Naku, sorry
na mawawala ng trabaho at parang,
Pero that is coming. Everybody that can be replaced by a machine
will be replaced.
eventually will be replaced.
Well,
And that's a point I hope you could shield your children, your growing up young adult, na ang fear to lose a job. But is that the meaning, the purpose of life? Or is the purpose and meaning of life that through the job, you have friends? Because of the job, you can help somebody poor or somebody you could assist. It's not the job So, you can reinvent yourself with your talent and your mind.
You have to embrace the change
Yes.
and learn how to live.
So, technology
Para
can,
makinabang
as you
ka.
said, cannot replace our human emotion.
Or our insights,
Yes.
our shared
And
experiences, and dreams,
Yeah.
and desires, and wants.
Pero mga kapatid ko, kung wala kang pag-share ng iyong dream,
Or ng pakiramdam
kung
mo.
wala kang encounter sa mga taong totoo, you become alone. Loneliness.
Sa kapag face-to-face, binanggit mo rin ito sa Sacred Heart, you feel the goosebumps of the human connection. So, hindi monitor to monitor. What's nice with face-to-face is the connection is invisible, but when you're face-to-face, ang hindi kaya ng monitor to monitor is heart to heart.
Yes.
Right?
The heart that speaks to another
That
heart.
is the totality and the center of the humanity, right?
Ang tawag po dyan, kindredness.
Kindredness.
Parang sense of humanity. Meron tayong pinagsasamahan, pinagkakaisahan. Now, cannot be valued by money.
And gusto kong sabihin dun sa nagtanong din, it's relationship that will fill the emptiness, hindi lang sa kapwa. Sa Diyos. Yun yung pundasyon, yun yung anchor.
So, yun ang base ni...
Yun ang anchor.
Yun ang base ni Pope Francis. When you're open to others, it's also the openness to the great, the
great
one
one.
other. Na ang maganda nga sa Diyos natin, sa ating kaalaman at panampalataya, nakipag-usap siya. Lahat ng religion po is a philosophy of life. Kasi hindi naman nakipag-usap ang alam nilang Diyos, ang kilalang divinity sa kanila Sila nag-aalay, sila ang nagtumitingin sa kanilang isipan, ito bang gusto ng aking Diyos, ito bang gusto ng aking Diyos. They never heard from their God anong gusto niya. And God, gumalaw sa history ng Israel, gumalaw kay Yesu Cristo. Gumagalaw ngayon ng Diyos.
Pero na-discuss din natin ito sa tanong niya, yung kalooban, yung the deepest part of you knows you need someone.
Yes.
And the meaning why I'm here. The purpose of it all. Di ba napag-usapan din natin yan? So, I hope,
Yun ang-
balikan din niya yung episode na yun doon sa nagtanong on, ano nga ba topic noon? Yung resurgence of the Catholic Church. Diba?
Yeah.
They're discovering God again.
Oh, kasi Catholicity po is universality.
It's universality. Oh.
Diba? And that's community.
Ayun.
Meaningful community po. I think that's what technology cannot replace. Meaningful relationships. Yan.
Yun. Well, that's hard. I know. I'm praying for all the lonely people out there. We all go through that. So with the advancement also, na-COVID pa tayo, nasanay tayo sa bahay, definitely mangyayari yung may kakulangan na tao sa buhay mo.
Kung pwede natin
Kahit presence man lang, being present with another.
Actually, we are a mystery to ourselves, di ba?
Oo.
And we are unrepeatable. Iba
We're
tayo.
unique.
Magkaiba tayo. Unique tayo. Pero meron tayong something shared.
That's true.
One is time. And sana sa time na yon, a real space together. Di ba kung may time ka, meron kang space pero you're alone, hindi shared yun. Di ba?
Okay.
Gawin mo shared time,
Well, we
shared
can
space.
Zoom. Para din yung online class pero iba pa rin yung harapan, yung pag-aaral,
Iba
yung
po.
paglalaro ng mga bata. Well, it's nice to have that, but it's still, I don't think no man is an island physically too. Right?
Yeah.
So we'll be back. Medyo sana nasagot
Thank you,
namin yung tanong na
Thank
yun.
you sa tanong. Naghanap kami niyan.
So please like, share
And
this,
subscribe.
subscribe, and keep on asking.
Theo.
We'll be back.